Hello and welcome to my channel. So today I'll do unboxing of this newest DYU mini electric foldable bicycle, which is should be very compact and innovative technologies. So I'm gonna remove it from the box and I will show you how it's packed and if it's need any assembly. So here's how it's packed. Inside you're gonna find this box. The box will have user manual, the charger. It's a 1.5 amp charger. It comes with the foldable pedals right over here, and the multi-tool. Over here you're gonna find lock. So they sell you actually with different options lock. They send you free lock over here. Oh, it's very light. And that's how it's gonna look once you pull out from your box. Looks like everything really nicely packed. I'm gonna unpack it and to show you if I need any assembly. So I'm gonna remove all this packing material. So it's basically you bring this handlebar up. You need to remove this stuff. On the side you're gonna find latch. You just close. I'm gonna show you everything later as well. And on the other side it's a latch as well. Kickstand. Alright, you can just move this latch up to adjust it. You would just need to install the pedals, I guess. And over here it says R and L. So I'm gonna attach to the left side, right, because I'm on the left. Over here is a sign L and direction. So I'm gonna remove the sticker. And then use the wrench tool to tighten up and tighten pretty good. And then I will attach this pedal on another side, exactly the same. And the last, to attach this seat, you just insert it and adjust to the position more comfortable gonna be for you. And over here is a latch to close it down. And the bike is assembled now. And here's how the DYU C2 model will look once you assemble. Basically you just need to unpack it. There's no really assembly need to be done. Only reattach the handlebar, reposition, attach the seat and the pedals, as you could see before. And the bike actually assembled. You may want to check the air pressure in the tires. There's recommendation right on the tires. I recommend you to read it on the tires because the tires might be different from different batch. So read on the side of the tires what recommendation for pressure, air pressure. And let me show you how I will look on this bike first. And I'm 5'11", and it's not bad for a mini bike. And I'll show you how compact this bike can be also. But now I want to go with you over size. So the seat can go up, as you can see right now. It's pretty much all the way up, which is 35 inches from the ground, and it can go as low as 30 inches from the ground. The frame from the ground is about 22 inches, so it's very low. So somebody who is probably 5 feet, even below, can ride this bike as well. Handlebar, it's about 42 inches from the ground, and it's a real nice bike. The wheelbase, it's 40 inches, so it makes the bike more stable on the road. But let me get closer to the bike, so I'll show you what it comes with. So let's get closer and see what it comes. So it comes with a rear shock right over here, which probably have about less than an inch travel. Will give you some smooth ride over some bumps. Come with 160mm disc brakes, mechanical on the rear and the same disc on the front. It's come with a rigged fork. Actually, it's a frame is aluminum It's not steel like they usually do. It does come with aluminum stem and 21 inches wide handlebar. Display digital, also have throttle, nice grips, which is rubbish as well. The bell right over here, nice brakes for the speed, and adjustable handlebar, very easy. You can unlatch over here and change it. Also reflector light. It does come with a rear tail light, which is pretty bright, and the headlight, which is integrated in the frame, the same as a tail light, and some logo of DYU right here. This allows to fold the handlebar. It's fully foldable as a frame and handlebar as well. So I'll show you right now how I will fold it. Very simple, because and also before you start to ride, you would need to charge it. The charging port right over here. Switch button over here, on and off. So before you start to ride it, you need to turn it on right over here. To turn the bike on, you would need to push button right here and hold it for a few seconds, and it will start on. I noticed the light on the back might be blinking right now. It's actually due to the brakes. They a little bit need to be adjusted because they are too firm, and or you can push it harder a little bit on it and it should stop. So because the brake sensor right now activated, you see it's blinking. Because of that, the throttle will not work. So that's kind of things I noticed on this bike, and actually it happens with many of the bicycle when arrive. So you need to adjust the brakes to make sure they are not too tight on the disc, and once you adjust it, you should fix the blinking and the throttle will work. So if you see the throttle does not work when it's in pedal assist 1 or 2 or 3 and the light is blinking, that means the brakes need to be adjusted. And it does come with very nice seat, which very wide, and the rack already included. Also some reflector on the back, and the fenders, the full fenders on both wheels. And now I'm going to show you how to fold it and unfold it. Very simple. So it comes with a foldable pedals as well. So you push the pedals inside over here, it will fold it. Then you move it to the side. On this side you're going to find a red button, which you push it, and then you pull the black piece like this. It will open the latch. You can pull a little bit with your knee like this and move it closer, and it's now foldable. But before going to fold the handlebar, I want to let you know there is also a battery inside, which is removable, so you can remove it with a key. It comes with the 2 keys. You just insert the key right over here, okay, and the battery will pop out right here. Here's a battery, which is 48 volt, 7.5 amp, so it's 360 watt hours. It's pretty like about 6 pounds, maybe more. That's why this bike weighs 52 pounds minus the battery. Will be much lighter, so you can remove it if you need to lift it up, and you just back insert it until you hear the click. Remove the key, and now I will show you how to fold this handlebar. So on the side of the handlebar there is a latch mechanism. You pull it up and then pull it to the side, and it will fold it just like that. And now it's fully foldable, can be lifted like this, and put it in a trunk or anywhere you want to. So it's you can also remove the seat for portability. To put it back together, simply bring the handlebar up, close this latch, it's automatically locked, open the bike, and on this side, I'll show you on this side, make sure it's all flat, straight. You just push this black latch down, and it's already assembled, unfolded, and it's ready to ride. And now we're ready to go for a ride. And I'm gonna wear for the first time the new helmet from Outdoor Masters and the new sunglasses which are very clear in the shade, but once I'm gonna go on the sun, they're gonna get darker. Photochromic technology. So let's go. Let's see how the bicycle actually rides. The sunglasses actually getting dark a little bit. I'm not sure if you can see it on camera, but it's pretty comfortable to be on the bright sun. It's about 100 degrees right now in the shade, so on the sun it's much hotter. But let's do and see. So I'm on pedal assist level 3. Okay, there's a top speed gonna be. I tried to change the speed, but I couldn't make it change, so we'll see how fast it will go as is, because there might be some options to change the speed. And I'm gonna get here and I'm gonna check it with GPS so you can see if it's accurate. So let's stop and go. And I noticed the brakes need to be adjusted. I didn't adjust it yet because sometimes it will turn off. So let's go now. It's display show me 8 miles on GPS 10, and let's go how fast. Let's see how fast it will go. So now it's 14 and I weigh 215 pounds, a little bit more maybe now. So it showed me 14 miles an hour. It's very nice cruising. Kind of feels more stable than okay, it's 50 miles an hour now. So it does hit about 15 miles top speed with my weight on right out of the box. Maybe I will be able to change the speed later, so if I do, I will post another video and test the speed as well. So far we're not able to change the speed. If you're a lighter person, you might go faster, but so far the top speed I got 40 miles an hour with my weight 215 pounds at least. Okay, and I'm gonna turn around and see how comfortable to pedal. I'll go with pedal assist level 1. So pedal 1, assist 1, it will give me about 8 miles an hour, and it's keep going. Level 2, you give me 12, and now it's about ghost pedaling. So it's kind of hard to keep up after 12 miles. So I'm gonna go level 3 and see how fast I can go. I do just slowly pedal it because it's a ghost pedaling right now, about 40 miles an hour. Maybe it'll go faster, 15. Oh, okay, so it can go faster, but I cannot really 15 miles an hour, but I cannot really pedal fast. Let's see if I can. No, 15 miles an hour, that's a top speed with the pedaling. So it's not bad, I guess. So to be comfortable with pedal, I'm gonna go pedal assist level 2. To be comfortable with pedal, you would go probably about 12 miles, the top speed, because the front chainry is not as large and it's only come with one gear. And it's designed for city commuter, like go to the grocery, work, school, beach. It's just mini bike which you can put in a trunk, any car mostly, and take it with you. So it's very portable and nice. So highly recommend to check out if you need some for RV. And it's a big tires, which is 16-inch with 2.5 I believe wideness, so you can even ride it probably on the fire lanes. So let's see now how the brakes, and I'm gonna get to like 40 miles an hour, I guess, with my weight on. See how the brakes will stop. And I'm gonna stop probably by the black car. And 40 miles an hour, and now stop. So it stopped right away almost. So for the speed, the brakes are perfect, mechanical. Yeah, some Robins. So brakes are working good for this bike. It comes with a bell. Pretty good braking, no squeaking. So really nice budget bike. The only thing I think you need to adjust, like for example, right now my throttle will not work because the brakes, I think rear one, need to be adjusted, centered. It's only like 2 bolts to remove. And I already made video before about if you rear light, like brake light blinking, that means most likely your brakes need to be adjusted because of sensor. So let's see how they see it. The spring, actually it's not bad. It's a little bit, gave you like bouncy, but not a lot, so you will feel a little bit better as a rear shock, but don't expect to go like off-road, like do crazy stuff. It's just for city bike. It's very nice, stable, better than I think this bike is better than the one at Casca, like Jetson Hayes. I tested the other one. It's more portable, I think, about same battery most likely, but this one comes with about the same speed, very similar, but I like the color with rear shock. So I think this one is probably high competitive bike gonna be, and I will have a big discount in description. So if you like this bicycle, if you please check the link in description. And again, if you like this video, hit the like, subscribe for more videos like this. I will try to make separate video probably how to use this display. It's very simple, as long as you know there is some instruction already comes, which very easy, but as pedaling it's pretty nice. I'm tall, like 5'11", it's still not bad for me, and you can basically start let's check it out without power at all, because with power everybody can power. So now I turn off completely power, so basically there's no bars at all, and now I'm just pedaling. I comfortably pedal about 7 miles an hour. So if you take it to the beach as a cruising without power at all, you can do that easily, and I can feel like stability pretty good on this bike. It's not like some mini bicycles might be not as stable, so this one is kind of between. And I'm gonna go back to the pedal assist level 1 because it's too hot, over 100 degrees to pedal, but I will just use throttle. And it does come with on display you can see the battery, the life. Also the battery is 48 volts, so it should give you a very good distance and power. I feel like this bike can go much faster because when I use the throttle, you basically just cut it off at 15 or 16 miles an hour, so it's basically should be able to go faster. I'm not sure if the system will allow, like without any upgrades, just to go and change it. Maybe that's what they say, but I will try it again. But it is a nice solid bike, and it can stand about 265 pounds, so it's very solid, very nice build, I would say. For this price range, it's compact, number one, because some bicycle like just a Bolt Pro, you cannot fold the frame. This one you can fold it, and it's a slim, so it will fit, like I think I can put like 5 in my trunk like this, so it should be really comfortable. And I'll see if my son can ride this bike as well, because this bike can fit somebody who is shorter. So maybe for teenagers, even somebody who is probably 10 years old can ride it. I don't know if it's legal gonna be in your state, but I'm pretty sure they can ride this bike because the seat can go very low, and I'm pretty sure it will be more safer than a larger bike because it's closer to the ground, and also the brakes work good on this bike at this speed, and also they can use the pedal assist, so it's a good bicycle to start with as well. And they do manufacture them. DYU is a big manufacturer company who manufacture many bicycles for other brands as well, so check them out. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.